Hello and welcome students. This is Shafiq sir from Jain English School and Junior College. As we all know that coronavirus is affecting not just only us but also to the whole world. But don't forget to stay at home, stay safe. But study at home is also important. So I am here to communicate with you on some general questions, general science questions. So you can see there is a quote written on your screen. That is, don't be the same, be better. That is, don't be the same daily, be better every day. Try to learn something new every day. Okay, so I am going to give you some questions. I am going to give you some questions. If you know the answer, it is well and good. If you don't know the answer, please try to learn from it. Okay, I will give you 10 seconds to answer. If possible, it is well and good. If not, try to learn from it. Okay, yes, first question on your screen. ISRO. ISRO stands for. Here is your answer. ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization. This organization is of our own Indian nation. Its founding father member is Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, which was formed on 15 August 1969. Okay. Next question for you. What is the largest man-made structure on Earth? Man-made structure on Earth, which is the largest one? The answer is the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is the largest man-made structure on Earth, which is located in China. So if you knew the answer, it was very good. But if you don't know the answer, please keep this in mind that the Great Wall of China is the largest man-made structure on Earth. Okay. Here is next question for you. Which travels faster? Which travels faster, light or sound waves? Light or sound waves? Which travels faster, light or sound wave? So if you know the answer, it is very good. But I will give you one example for it. It's on your screen. The fireworks, which we do in Diwali. We know as we light the rocket, it goes in sky and it bursts. But when it bursts, we can see the lightning. But the sound effect, which travels little bit later than the lightning. So you can get it that the light travels faster than sound, and this is a very good example to understand it. Okay, next question for you. What color are the 5 Olympic rings? What color are the 5 Olympic rings? Yes, a conclusion for you. One is black color, second is blue color, third is red color, fourth is green color and yellow color. Black, blue, red, green, yellow are the 5 Olympic rings. Okay, I hope everyone is getting it. We'll get to the next question. How many squares are there on a chessboard? As we know, we have played many a times on a chessboard, but we most of the time don't know that how many squares are there on a chessboard. So very much of many students you must be knowing, but there are some few students, those who don't know. So here is an example or a chessboard that can easily get you the answer. It's on your screen. We can count from downwards. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in horizontal wise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertical wise. So here we know we can get it that 8 by 8 is the total chessboard, is equals to 64. You can get the answer. Okay, we got it. The answer is 64. I hope you all get it. We'll move forward to the next question. Which planet is fifth from the sun? Which planet is fifth from the sun? So here's a diagrammatic presentation for you. This here you can get a very good diagrammatic view of the location. Okay. First, you can see that from sun, first planet is Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus, eighth 19 Neptune, and 10 is Pluto, ninth is Pluto. Okay, here you can get it. Mercury, Venus. First Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus, eighth Neptune, and ninth planet is Pluto. So, which is the fifth planet from the Sun? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jupiter is the right answer. Okay, I hope you get it. The answer is Jupiter. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Next question is on your screen. The maximum limit of sound beyond which a person can become deaf. The maximum limit of sound beyond which a person can become deaf. As we all know that in Ganesh Visarjan or any marriage function, we use DJ. Yes, DJ. But it is also from the government, they have also given a sound limit. That is approximately 50 decibel. But we are capable to listen and we don't get affected by it. So the limit for the maximum sound limit beyond which a person can become deaf is 120 decibel. Okay. Next question for you. Why do we see rainbow after the rain? As we all know, after rainy season, during rainy season, the droplets we see of the rains, the sun rays which affect the droplets of it. After that, it becomes rainbow, but we don't know the actual reason. So here's a diagrammatic representation for you to understand better. That you can see on the screen. That when the sunlight reflects the surface of the droplet, it reflects in the droplet and it comes out giving us formation of a rainbow color. That is red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, indigo color, and violet color. Here you can see it. Okay, and the answer that gives us that water drops suspended in the atmosphere act as prisms and disperse light into 7 colors. The water droplets which we are seen in the diagram, okay, it acts as a prism and reflects back the dispersed light into 7 colors. Okay. We'll move to the next question. Why do the stars twinkle? We all see the stars in the sky. They twinkle in the night. Why? There must be something through which they must be twinkling. Yes? Yes, something for you. So you can see over here that there is a surface around the earth, that is atmosphere. Here the answer states that the stars seem to twinkle due to the light from the stars passes through several mediums. These several mediums is nothing but atmosphere. It is atmosphere. Atmosphere, you can see the clouds, also some dust particles are in the atmosphere. So when we see from the ground position, we sees through the path, that is atmosphere. So the stars are quite at the longest path from the earth's surface. So when we see from the ground, we watch them through a surface of atmosphere. So if something passes from it, so we cannot see. It twinkles, the stars twinkles when we see it. Okay, so here is next question for you. A boatman pushes the bank with his pole. Why? A boatman, we know the boatman pushes the bank with his pole. Why? There is a picture to understand you the better and the answer also. As per Newton's law, every action has equal and opposite reaction. As the pole pushes the water, the water bank also pushes the boat away from it, through which the boat moves in the forward direction. As per Newton's law, that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So when the boatman pushes the water bank also pushes it to move forward. That is the answer of this. Okay. Hope so you all get this question and answer. So here is a just a reminder for you that the coronavirus is affecting a lot, and we all know we cannot go to school or attend lectures also. So yes, just don't forget to stay at home, stay safe and study at home. Please. Thank you.